undividable part of the nature, mountains reveal a stunning beauty of our country with their magnificence and greatness. The Chatkol Biosphere Nature Reserve is one of these sites with its outstanding spectacular scenery as well as unique fauna and flora. The Chatkol Biosphere Nature Reserve stretches along the mountainous terrain of Tashkent region in the south-northern part of the Chatkol mountain ranges. It was established in 1947 to preserve, study and generate some unique species of fauna and flora of the western Tian Shan. Covering over 9,900 hectare land, the nature reserve borders almost with Namangan region from the east and reaches mountainous terrain of Ohangaron district. Its relief contains hills, rocks and steep ravines. The climate of the nature reserve is continental. Average temperature in January is -7 and it reaches +23-25 degrees in July. Annual precipitation makes up 700 and 800 millimeters. Boshqizilsoy, Shovasoy and their streams are the main water sources of the region, and there are nearly 1,300 species of flora inter alia. More than 40 varieties of trees and bushes grow along the ravines. Among them, poplar, willow, juniper, knot, crabapple and cherry trees are the most widespread ones. The Chatkol Biosphere Nature Reserve is also rich in fauna and it homes more than 30 mammals, namely mountain panther, brown bear, mountain goat, fox, badger and wild boar. The sustainable ecosystem of the area is favorable site for animals and birds. Therefore, more than 140 species of birds such as quail, falcon, black stork, partridge and turtle dove are vitally important to keep the natural balance of the reserve. The absolute natural harmony of fauna and flora is the most significant component of the Chatkol Nature Reserve. Some rare species of animals and plants of the world can be found in this unique terrain. Thus, it was entitled the Chatkol Biosphere Nature Reserve within the UNESCO's program framework of the third session, Human and Biosphere, in 1986. And later, on February 15, 1993, the site was given a special certificate approving its international importance. With its marvelous scenery, unique terrain, fresh air and intact nature, the Chatkol Biosphere Nature Reserve is one of the most spectacular sites of Uzbekistan.